Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What's up guys, HN Style here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover a deleted file. So without wasting of any time, let's get started. First, download and install Recuva software from the link in the description. Now I'll delete any of my file and then recover it, such as this image file named as Anonymous. Now, once your file is deleted, then open Recuva software. When it's open, then click on Next. Now it asks you which type of your file is. If you don't know that format, then click on All Files. If you know its format, then select from the categories. My file is a pictures type, so I'll select pictures. Now click on Next. Now it asks you from where your file is deleted. If you know its location, then click on In a specific location. Now click on Browse. Now select that location from where your file is deleted. If you don't know its location, then click on I'm not sure. Now click Next. Click on Start. Now it scans all deleted files. Now it shows me my anonymous picture. Now check your deleted file. Now click on Recover. Remember, you can't recover file if you keep any other file at its previous location. And make sure do not recover a file at its previous location. Recover it on a new location. For this example, I'll recover my file on local disk D. Now your file is recovered. Now close the Recuva. Let's check out local disk D. Look, there's my recovered picture. Now as you guys can see, we have recovered a file. So that's all for now. Meet you in another video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.